Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Are you afraid of making extra income? And you need to earn extra income, but you are afraid. Why do you think that those things you are going to offer, it could be a service/product, people will not like it and you are afraid, but very afraid to offer it and people will reject it, and several times it happened that you did not win absolutely nothing, but what do? Keep going. Because undertaking is being resilient to take a NO, and still you won't let your guard down. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more amazing tips like this one. Step 1. Those who should be ashamed of earning money are criminals. Those people who should be ashamed of earning money illicitly are corrupt. You think it's shame to offer your product/service. Actually, what you have is not shame, but fear of failing. Scenario. First month of extra income. 100 cakes at BRL 25.00. BRL 2,500.00 in the month. Pretend it's already right. Would you make extra income? Would you sell to people? If the answer is yes, what you have is not shame but fear of failure. Step 2. If you don't help, you don't have the right to have an opinion. Take into account the opinion of people who have something to add, those who will help you find customers, who will tell you how to improve your packaging, who will try your product/service and give you feedback that will help you improve. These people you keep close to you because they are important. Now those people who are not willing to collaborate, they just want to give an opinion or criticize, these people have no right to say absolutely nothing, and listening to these people is not good for you or your business. In short, don't ask for an opinion from someone you think will detonate your idea and won't contribute anything. Step 3. How to sell more and faster without previous sales experience. 1. Start small and gradually increase as you collect feedback from your customers. Make small demos and collect feedback. 2. See how you can improve from the feedback received, how you can improve what your client or person you know said wasn't that good. Listen without judgment and improve what you need immediately. 3. Know the right timing to offer your service. A cake, what is the best time to offer it? Around lunchtime, isn't it? Another example. Clothes, you can offer them on special dates, Christmas, Mother's Day, birthday, etc. 4. Observe and collect information about your customers. The big secret of selling is not to sell, or offer, or push a product/service to your customer, but to understand what he needs and offer something that he can supply. 5. If you don't know how much to charge. One option is to ask the customer how much he would pay for the product/service offered. We'll talk about net income in another article. 6. Questions to ask if the customer does not buy your product/service. Why didn't you want to? Do you already have something like that? Or did you buy it from someone else? How is this other product? How much is it? How do you pay? Machine, Pix, money, how easy is the payment? Why do you prefer to buy from this other person? After that, think about how you can turn that person and several others into your customers and make more extra income. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.